Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make a tomato pesto sandwich. Toast the bread to golden, spread pesto evenly, layer tomatoes and cheese, and add basil leaves. Use salt and pepper to taste and press gently to meld flavors. Optionally grill the sandwich for a warm, melted finish. Keep a napkin handy for juices and serve immediately for the best texture and aroma. Start by toasting or warming your bread to add structure and crunch. Apply a generous but even layer of pesto to both slices so the tomatoes do not soak through. Place tomatoes in a single layer, season lightly, then add cheese and basil leaves. Press the sandwich slightly to compact layers but not crush the tomatoes. Cut diagonally and enjoy immediately while textures and temperatures are balanced. Experiment with different breads, cheeses, and pesto types to match your taste. Pat tomato slices dry to avoid soggy bread, or use thick-cut heirloom tomatoes for robustness. For a smoky twist, add roasted red peppers or grilled eggplant. Try fresh mozzarella for creaminess or goat cheese for a tangy lift. Keep flavors balanced so the pesto complements rather than overpowers the tomato and cheese combination.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.